Wbla bob iwch baby. I chi. Hello. A chroeso. Hello. Welcome. I have to make a list. I got 3 possible non-singing videos to make. I want to play you the records, these Welsh records, the recordiau Cymraeg yma. Eirin Peryglus, a Dyn Newydd. I may have done so before, but the reason I'm playing them, Tywyll, Syrthio mewn cariad at Tywyll, falling in love with Tywyll. I won't play that because I don't actually rate the production of the songs very much. But this Tywyll single is a classic, 73 Heb Flares. Without Flares, 73 Without Flares. It was released in 1989, was it? 1986, I do apologise. What a song that is. Absolutely incredible. They have another single. I thought I had it, but I can't find it. It's called A Gwyliau, A Holidays, which the holidays was marvellous, and that's just fallen. So the reason I'm doing these videos is that I want to continue reviewing stuff and sharing with you also. The reason I'm playing those singles, I'm going to get rid of them because I've had a few misfortunes with finance recently, and I want to psychologically embarrass or compensate myself financially. So I know a chap who will buy these at a decent price. I think they're going for about 40 quid, 1 or 2 of them on Discogs. So I could do with 3 times 40 is 120. I'll venture I'd have probably £75 for them, but there we are. It's worth it, isn't it? Gorwell Owen. This song is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to play this to you now, and whilst we're listening to it, I'll make sure that I've written down the rest of the videos that I need to make. So, enw'r gan hon yw y Dyn Newydd. Enw'r gan hon yw y Dyn Newydd. This name of this song is called The New Man. That is a majestic sounding song. Gorwel Owen produced it. Eirin Peryglus, which means dangerous plums, are the band. They went from 1987, possibly before that, till 1994. They released a CD album called As He Stumbles on a Pin. Chris, it's back to you. Newydd, which means naked, which was far more dance orientated. This has elements of Tangerine Dream meeting early Depeche Mode and Kraftwerk. What a marvellous song. Fiona is the singer. She wasn't a fluent Welsh speaker at the time, so she learnt the words Mae hi'n rhedeg trwy y glaw, Mae hi'n rhedeg oddi wrth y fi. Phonetically, she is running through the rain. She is running from herself. And because my channel now is called Oopla Bobby Hooked Baby, I used to play. I don't think I ever played this song, and it makes you wonder. I told my friend Heb, I told him it's why the Welsh language has not flourished, is that these songs and these bands, they reached cult status within Welsh Wales, but they didn't become household names, you know, like Dafydd Iwan. You've all heard of Dafydd Iwan, haven't you? Of course you have. And you've all heard of Bryn Terfel. So why don't we sing Eirin Peryglus, a Dyn Newydd? Why don't we sing Tywyll, 73 Heb Flares? That's one of the reasons I joined the media in Wales, was to champion and to highlight the artistry and culture of modern Wales in 1989. In 1989, no one cared, apart from Jarman and Video Now and a handful of bands. I'd say around 50 bands. We all formed bands, and when you became relatively successful, you all joined the media to present other bands. But the public embraced what was popular at the time. Up until 1996. In 1996, Cool Cymru took over on the crest of the, what was it called? Britpop phenomenon. So this is back in 1986. I can't believe that was so early for this. This is incredible. And fair play to HTV on Rock Roll Tear. When I saw this on Rock Roll Tear, they got the mix of Nathan's guitar and Ian Morris's vocals and the bass line of Nathan Ricks. What am I on about? It's not Nathan Ricks, is it? Anyway. And the best drummer in Wales at the time, and probably ever, was Dyn Newydd, who went to form, who drummed for the Cyrff as well, Cyrff. And the Cyrff, well, stop it, Hugh, just listen to the song. So this is Tywyll and a song called 73 Heb Flares. If you imagine, I'm not going to ask you to imagine who he reminded some people of. And there you have a top 25 Welsh single of all time. A Gwyliau is just as good. It's got far more. He wants to marry a Leri here. In a Gwyliau, he's asking the same girl probably. Ian Morris. He was very charismatic. I'm not going to mention the band they probably loved. Nathan, the guitarist, loved them. I'm not going to mention their names because everyone did. And they're far more creative than just being a rip-off of a certain English band who were big at the time. So, hope you've enjoyed them. I certainly have. I'm going to be sad to let them go, but, you know, I've got the experience of championing them and seeing how they lived the 15-minute dream in Wales. The Collectibles was their English language band version. They fell flat on their faces, missing the surf of Britpop and Cool Cymru. However, it doesn't make their music any less inspiring. I'm not going to play the other single because the muddy production. There's a 7-inch single with 4 songs on it. You know, Do Rhyw is okay. Gorffennaf I can't remember. Showbiz is good. Gerddi is a soft, folky ballad. Psychedelia, possibly. So you can check that out online if you want it. I have to fix this cover as well, won't I? There we are. We want as much money as possible for it. What's his name? Is it Deck? Or someone who collects them? He's a good bloke anyway. I'm glad I found them again, and I'm glad I've realised I don't need them on the shelf. I can make good money out of it. Capitalist that I am. Right, should we call this one video? We better call this one video. We'll call this one. Well, no, we won't. Right, just in case James Blunt and Van der Morrison block. I don't want to have to edit them. So, diolch yn fawr iawn am rando. Rydw I dal yn siarad Cymraeg, ond rydw I eisiau pobl sydd ddim yn siarad Cymraeg I ddeall. Regards to everybody. Cheers.